They say college is supposed to prepare you for life. Looking back, I am not sure mine did. The placements were not great, the infrastructure was not extraordinary, and every day meant nearly 2 hours of travel to college on one side. From 2010 to 2014, this place became my second home. It gave me friendships that have survived the tests of time. It gave me dreams, it gave me heartbreak, but most of all, it gave me memories that I still cherish every day. Welcome to another vlog by two old monks, where today we travel back in time to my college, Poilan College of Management and Technology, after 12 years. Okay, that song was not planned, but it fits perfectly because today we are heading back in time when this song was all that mattered. यहाँ से हमारा 200 एकड़ जमीन. You know what is funny? If somebody had asked me in 2014 whether I would miss this college, I would have laughed. I could not wait to leave. I wanted bigger opportunities, better jobs, better lives. We all thought that the real story would begin after college. But what nobody tells you is that one day you will wake up and realize that those ordinary college days had quietly become some of the best days of your life. दुर्गा पूजा में ना इस पूरे रास्ते में क्योंकि इतना ऐसा खाली जमीन है, काश फुल रहता था. सो वन डे वी वुड, नहीं तो अंदर से ऑटो चलता है, हम ऐसे पूरा कॉलेज से ये पूरा रास्ता वॉक करके जाते थे. So today before heading off for a staycation, we are making one stop. One nostalgic stop. We are going back to PCMT. It's the same, nothing has changed. God, they've made a road and रास्ता out of this. ये मंदिर है गणपति का. ये अभिषेक है, बंद हो गया. The first shock happened when I entered through the engineering gate and I see the canteen is closed. Abhishek is closed. ये भी बंद हो गया. ये हमारा जेरोक्स का दुकान था. The moment I saw this gate, I was not thinking about 2026 anymore. I was back to 2010, about my first day at this college. First new faces, new friendships, the nervousness of starting a college so far away from home. Walking through this gate felt so surreal. ये हमारा मैकेनिकल था लैब.
Yes, হ্যাঁ চলো.
আচ্ছা স্টুডেন্ট এখন দেখে তো মনে হচ্ছে না.
শনিবারে তো কোনো স্টুডেন্ট নেই. এখন হচ্ছে মানে রেগুলার যারা জব করে.
We are at PCMT, Poilan College of Management and Technology. I am here after 2014 when I last collected my BTech certificate. The place has not changed one bit. We thought they'll make a few more floors, there will be a little more students. But I don't think too many people study here anymore. But it looks just the same white, orange, blue, the same rooms. The doors are closed to go upwards, so not going upwards, but this is the ground floor. And very nostalgic. They've made a sick room, it was never there when we stayed. This was our common room, it's closed. Joyantuda is still there. The campus looked quieter, and not just because it was a Saturday. The areas look neglected. Time has clearly left its mark. And I won't lie, this makes me a little sad because in my memory, this place is full of energy, full of noise, full of possibilities. This was our mechanical lab. That's the BCA campus. And there, it is looking so sad right now. It's so sad to look that place now. But back in our times, one guard used to sit there, stop us every day at 9:15 sharp because classes would start at 9:30, then take a fine or stop us for not wearing college uniforms. As a student who would first take an auto, then an S31, then another auto from Shokir Bazar to Poilan Bazar, and another auto from Poilan Bazar to college, today I was driving through this campus. It is a feeling I really cannot put into words. And just like that, the visit is over. 12 years ago, I walked out of these gates thinking I was leaving this chapter behind forever. Today, I walked back and realized a part of me never really left. For all of you who are still wondering what is so special about this place which does not look so posh and fancy, this place is not perfect, it was never meant to be. This place is not famous and it was never meant to be. It did not make our life easy, but it gave us friendships that we cherish. It gave me stories that I will tell for the rest of my life. And even though life took us all in different directions, I am grateful for every bit of Poilan. We spend so much of our life looking forward that we forget to look back once in a while. I am glad that I did today. To the friends I still have, to the people I still miss, and to the version of myself that I will probably never meet again. Thank you. Thank you for coming along on this one. See you on the next road.